try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me.
Hello everybody, in this video I would like to show you how to customize Xfce Desktop and make it look beautiful. So I recently discovered this nice project, Xfce Effects. This is not an URL, just search for this. This one. So click on download xfwm effects. Okay, unfortunately since the morning I don't understand what is happening. I tried to download everything and it's not downloading sometimes. So cleverly I took a backup of all the stuff that were there. So I will host those files. I will put the links in the description. You can just download them. I'll put them on Google Drive. You can just download them from there. So here, as you can see, where's the file? This one. So if you want, you can download from there. I think you will get the latest version if they're updating everything, or you can download from here. So after you open this, a few more changes that I would like to do to the file manager is that you can make the icons look a bit bigger. So for that we need to go to view, and then we need to go to edit, then preference, and in the side pane select the icon size to be 32 pixels, or we can go for 24. No, 32 will be nice, and in a compact form it looks better than the smaller icons that are there. Or if you want small icons, you can leave just the way it was. If you want, you can read the documentation here in readme.txt. They have shown the way how to do it, and it is quite easy. We just need to enter this in the command line. Now first we right click here and open this location in terminal, and then we paste this and press the enter key and wait for the installation to complete. Now after this, the complete Xfce window manager will be modified, and the normal version will be replaced with this modified version that will allow us to get some blur and other cool nice effects here. So after this is done, we need to go for the next part, and you need to log out if you're on a real machine, and then again log in. And after that, and if you're on a virtual machine, you can just paste this here and press the enter key, and there it happens. It changes. Now you can safely close the terminal. Now the version of Xfce window manager that is being used is the modified version, and this one supports blur. So the kind of blur that this supports is that not the one that is the live blur that we get. Instead, it just takes the wallpaper and then applies Gaussian blur on it, and then you're able to see that on the title bar and everything. Kind of you can achieve the mica effect with this that is there on the latest Windows 11 operating system. So for that, before we need to go and get a wallpaper, let's go to Pexels and let's search for dark. I'll put the link in the description. You can just download from there. So it downloads and install saves there, and now we just need to go to the downloads location, right click, set as wallpaper. There it applies. Now let's open the terminal and start the customization with the terminal. So here you can go to edit, preferences, and then go to appearance. Now as we go to appearance, under appearance you can go for a transparent background. Now you can change the opacity and reduce it to 0, or you can increase the opacity. Close this. Now let's get some themes. Now please don't get angry for using the macOS transparent theme. I know there's a weird problem with people that they get angry if I use something related to Mac. If you don't like it, beauty differs from person to person. So if you don't like it, I think that the colors of this theme would go with the background that I'm using, which is kind of dull. So I use that. There we have it. Now click on the download button. There we get the transparent theme. This actually does not work as it is shown there, and I don't think that this theme is actually transparently working on Xfce. I hope the download was successful. So we go to the downloads folder. Okay, it's still downloading. There it is. Now after this is done, we just need to go to the home folder, then Control H, and then go there to create a new folder, Control Shift N, and enter .themes, open the folder, paste it here. Now you just need to go to the settings page. There you have the appearance tab. Under there you can just select the new theme that you have downloaded. Now after you apply this theme, you see that other window decorations, they look kind of weird. So for that, I don't think this theme works for that. Still, we will try to see if this same theme would be working there or not. But it's not available there. So I will use do one thing here. That is, we'll be getting another theme for that, which will again be kind of going with this. Or you can do one more thing, that is, instead of downloading any theme, you can just click on Window Manager, and there you can select the theme New Mix. And New Mix kind of goes with this current theme. That's it. Let's go for the next theme. Search for here plain. Go for the plain theme, and then click on the download button. This theme, I'm telling you that it is a bit inspired by the Node colors. Also, we need some icons. For that, I will be using the dpin icons. Not this one. Click on downloads, click on this, click on download, click on the save button. That's it, both of them are downloading. And in the meantime, let's just go close the other applications that are open. Also, there are some certain changes that you can do. Is that you need to go to Window Manager Tweaks, and from here go to the compositor and change the opacity of the window decorations. Now if you open some apps like that, the terminal, you see that it actually reflects and changes the color accordingly. If we go to complete transparency, you will be able to see that it's actually reflecting the colors there. So you can tweak the opacities and all accordingly to your will. You can change the transparency of the window during movement so that it gets a hint of that background that is there, and also during resize. And about pop-ups, you can reduce the transparency to a great extent. you can increase the transparency to a great extent. As you can see, it looks kind of cool for the menu to appear like that. Similarly in this place on the desktop, if you right click, you will see that it actually blurs the background there. So the downloads are complete. Let's extract the themes first. Click on yes version, yes, and then open the home folder. There we need to create a new folder, that is the dot icons, and inside dot icons we need to extract the icons that are there. So just open it and drag and drop the file there. That's it, done. The theme that I downloaded did not show up there, so I think I downloaded the wrong file. So just click on extract. I will provide this link in the description. Click on extract and then go to the home folder and press Ctrl+H. You will be able to see all the hidden files. Go to the .themes directory, create a new folder, and name the folder with the name of the file that is here. So the name is this. So we go to rename, Ctrl+C, I click on new folder, Ctrl+V, create. Now extract them here. Done. Close this. Get back to this window manager. Now if I just close this and then again reopen the window manager settings, you get the theme. So click on that and it will change. Or you can do one thing, that you can also use the same theme from the appearance tab for the applications too, so that there is more consistency. So as you can see, you can use the same theme here also, but actually the icons here changes back to it again. So it looks different here, so you can also stick with the normal theme. And on the transparent theme, you get this transparent panel that is there, which is also helpful. So that's it. Now we again need to open the appearance page and change the icons, right? We installed the icons that is there for the UOS. That's it. So as you can see, the icons are changed. Even in file manager, if we go to the home folder and remove the clutter by pressing Ctrl+H. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe if you like my video, and that's it. I'll catch you in the next one.